Hi everyone, I'm Jay Cohen, editorial director here at Feedfeed, and today we are making my favorite summertime treat, chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwiches. I mean, what can get more nostalgic? I'm going to walk you through all the ins and outs of a perfect chocolate chip cookie to make an ice cream sandwich, as well as my techniques on how to build them. To get started, we are going to start with softened butter. So I'm going to put 2 sticks right into the bowl of our stand mixer. A half a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of light brown sugar. I'm going to cream this together. So white sugar causes the cookies to spread out more, while brown sugar causes for a chewier cookie. Typically I would use a little bit less brown sugar and more white sugar. However, since we are freezing these bad boys, I'm going to use equal parts. An important part is to use room temperature eggs as well. If you're using cold eggs straight from the fridge, they're going to seize up the butter and you're not going to get that really smooth homogeneous dough you're looking for. Now I'm just going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla. I have 2 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. So some streaks of flour are totally fine. We're gonna mix them in by hand. We're gonna fold in chocolate chips now. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips just because I wanna have a little bit of strength of semi-sweet versus milk chocolate. Helps cut through the butteriness of the cookie dough. I chilled the dough for 2 hours and then I just re-rolled them by hand just to make them nice and smooth. Now I'm going to space them out onto sheet trays. Always add some flaky sea salt on any cookie I bake. That could be better than that sweet and salty combo. And we're going to bake them off at 375. Alright, our cookies are out of the oven and I'm going to show you a really quick trick on how to get the perfect shape, that perfectly round chocolate chip cookie. The secret is a little ring cutter. We're gonna just put it right around our cookies straight out of the oven. That kind of helps even out. Don't have a ring cutter, you could also just use a bowl. We're gonna let the cookies cool completely and then we're gonna fill them with ice cream and cover them with a whole bunch of fun stuff. The ice cream truck is here. I'm taking my mic off. We're gonna go get some ice cream.
You go to the ice cream truck and you don't get vanilla with rainbow sprinkles, we're not friends. Bad idea.
Chocolate sprinkles, you messed up.
Delicious. She's dead to me.
So we got some ice cream, took a little break. Don't worry, it was all in the name of research. And then we're gonna finish up these ice cream cookie sandwiches and give them a try. Spice it up with whatever ice cream that you love. I just want to show you my one trick, which is slicing the entire pint to get that really clean disc. All right, I'm just gonna pop off of this to get that perfect size. Save all this, we can kind of press it out, and then we're gonna grab our cookies. We're gonna press out our little disc, and then another on top. Give it a little smush. Pretty perfect. Love crushed pretzels with chocolate. And now, why don't we show some of our other flavor combinations. You can use, honestly, whatever toppings you want. Mix and match the ice creams and toppings to kind of your heart's desire. And then for the strawberry ice cream, we're gonna pair it with chopped pistachio. Let's be real. All started with a hankering for classic vanilla. I saved the ends and then I honestly put them into a container to eat. We're keeping it classic, mini chocolate chips. Chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwiches could not be any easier to make, and they're going to be the hit of any summer party you throw. Be sure to go to the Feedfeed and get the recipe, and I'll see you next time.